out the tank.
Alright guys, so yeah, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here in Centurion Mall. I think this side is Centurion Mall. So today what I'm basically doing today is actually shooting the car. I'll be taking a random car shots and all that. So I think I'll be listing few things that you guys need to put into consideration whenever you want to shoot car videos or car photos, photography, car videos and all that. So these are the steps and tips that you need in order to enhance the qualities when you're shooting a car video or when you're shooting photography for cars.
Arthur, get out the tank.
The first thing that I'll be using today is the camera. This is the Canon 90D. I'll be shooting 1080p, which is full HD, and I'll be shooting most of the scenes in 60 frames. Sometimes I might also use the 120 frames, but mostly I'll be using the 60 FPS. So yeah, we're going to get straight into it and let's see the type of shots that we're going to get. Remember, after I take the body shot, I also have to take a few videos of the details, something like this. Okay, so something like the Volvo, the little minor things that makes the car look cool.
Arthur, get out the tank.
Just finished shooting the whole body, so now I need to focus on the interior, and then from there I get some videos of, I'll try and see, because normally I don't take videos of the engine bay and all that. I just focus on the outer part and also the interior. So from what I'm seeing, I might, so let's see how it goes. So I just finished with the body shot. Let me just also complete the interior part, then from there we see what we can also cover and then finalize everything. This gimbal for quite some time now, but today happens to be the day that I noticed some feature on the gimbal, which is quite fun. So yeah, that is, I mean, the advantages of filming on daily basis more often than others. So yeah, every day we keep learning. So let me just complete this and then I'll let you know how the final result goes. I'll publish it here. What I'm asking is, you guys should also let me know what you guys think about the shot. Is it nice? Is it cool? What do you think I should improve here and there? I mean, I know I'm not the best. I know I'm also learning. We are all learning. So if you have some ideas on how I should go about with the shot, just link it in the comment section, and then yeah, I'll try my possible best to get things right. I guess we're almost there. I'm almost done. Maybe in the next hour or two. 2 is too much, so let's say 1 hour time. So I'm still busy trying to finish up, and we will see how it goes, man. I hope I'm not wasting my time here, because hey man, shooting a car is not easy, man, especially if you don't know what you are doing. But I'm guessing we will get things right, hopefully. Press. I just finished the whole scene. So now I'm done. I've covered the interior, I've covered the exterior. I just also covered the, how do you call it, the details, the little details like I explained. So let's just go edit this video, see how it looks. Like I said, if you are new on the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts and comment as well, what you think I should improve here and there. If you think that there's something that I didn't do right, link it in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are. Next time I will also try my best to improve better. I know this is not the best car shot, but I'm also trying. We all trying, man, like I mentioned before. So list it in the comment section what you think needs to be done, what you think it is best, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Oh, one more thing. Whilst I was editing the video, I noticed that due to the music that I used in the clip, I won't be able to publish the car shot in this video. So if you are watching this and you want to see what I shot in the scenes that we just shot, I mean the scenes that you just watched, I'm just going to link a video somewhere here. Just tap on it. It's going to be popping somewhere up here. Just click on whichever link that you see around here, and there'll also be link in the description if you want to check it out. I don't want to have double copyright. I mean, you guys do know about this. When you use a song that does not belong to you, you get copyrights and all that. So I'm linking the different links on the video that I just shot personally on the somewhere here. So just check it out, and then yeah, do not forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.